Welcome, today in front of me Oukitel OKT1 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So let's just first launch the settings application and then scroll down to the sound section. Here you'll see the ring and notification volume panel. Just to mute your device ringtone, you should swipe that green dot to the left side with your finger. Also, you can do it by the second way. Just press up or down volume button here on the left side of your device and then click here on the settings icon. You'll see the same just volume panels here, and just by the same way, just to mute ringtone, swipe that green dot to the left side and then just click here to OK, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.